Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rifki Farul Huda with name 732500004. I come from the Industrial Engineering Study Program. On this session, I will convey and discuss the impact of artificial intelligence tools, or what you usually call ChatGPT, on students' learning habit. Have you ever imagined a world where SI that used to take all night now be complete in second? That's the world we live in today, thanks to advent of artificial intelligence, or what we affectionately call ChatGPT. Currently, AI technology is developing rapidly and is beginning to be used in education. Many students use ChatGPT to search to information, answer questions, create summaries, and even help this schoolwork. AI must be wisely. ChatGPT should be used as a learning aid, not a substitute for student effort and thoughts. Teacher and student need to work together to use this technology to enhance understanding, creativity, and critical thinking skill. Nowadays, learning isn't limited to textbook or classroom explanation. Many students are starting to use AI technology like ChatGPT to assist them with their study and assessment. This technology is incredibly practical, providing quick answer and aiding in understanding difficult material. But if used continuously and without wisdom, AI can also impact students' learning habit, for example, making them reluctant to think independently or overly dependent on technology. Therefore, today I will explain to the impact of AI use of students' learning habit in the modern era. This artificial intelligence technology is no longer a thing of the future, but a reality already within the grasp of every student. However, behind all this convenience, a big question arises. Does ChatGPT make students smarter, or is it the opposite? On this association, I will discuss the impact of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, on student study habit in today's digital age. Technology is developing rapidly and is beginning to impact various areas of life, including education. Currently, many students use AI to help them find information, understand course material, create summaries, and even complete assessment. The presence of this technology has certainly brought many changes to the way students learn. While there are positive impacts that significantly aid the learning process, there are also negative impacts that need to be considered to prevent students from becoming overly dependent of technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology designed to mimic human abilities, such as thinking, understanding language, and providing answers. One example of AI that is currently very popular is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used to answer questions, explain course material, create text, translate language, and even help complete school assessment because it is easy and fast to use. Many students are starting to utilize this technology in their daily learning activities. Many students now use ChatGPT in first lecturing activities. For example, when they're having trouble understanding math, history, or English, they can directly ask AI and get a quick explanation. Furthermore, ChatGPT is often used to create summaries of material to make it shorter and easier to understand. Some students also use AI to find presentation ideas, create sample speeches, or help them practice questions before exams. The use of ChatGPT has many positive impacts for students. First, AI helps students learn faster because information can be used in seconds. If their material they don't understand, they can immediately ask questions without having to search through numerous books. Second, AI make the learning process more practical and flexible. Students can study anytime and anywhere using only their mobile phones or laptop. Third, AI can also enhance student creativity. For example, students can get ideas for story, presentation, or school projects. Furthermore, this technology also helps students become more independent in their learning because they can seek out explanation themselves. Despite its many benefits, the use of AI can also have negative impact if used excessively. One example is that students become reluctant to think for themselves because they rely too much on AI for answers. Furthermore, the habit of reading books and searching for information independently may begin to decline. Students may simply want quick answer without understanding the process. There is also the risk of plagiarism or cheating when students copy answers from AI without understanding the content. If to continue, student critical thinking skill and creativity may decline. The development of AI changed student learning habit compared to previous generation. While students learn more from textbook, many now directly use the internet or AI to find answers. Learning has become faster and more instant. Information can be obtained simply by typing and question. This is convenient, but it also makes some students less accustomed to reading material in depth. For AI to be beneficial, students must use it wisely. ChatGPT should be used learning aid, not a substitute for student effort and thought. Students should still try to understand the material on their own before asking for AI assistance. Furthermore, information provided by AI needs to be double-checked, as not all answers are correct. In conclusion, artificial intelligence like ChatGPT has a significant impact on students' habits. This technology helps students learn more easily, quickly, and practically. However, if used excessively, AI can also make students overly dependent on technology and less able to develop their independent thinking skill. Therefore, we must use AI wisely. Technology should be a tool to improve the quality of learning, not a substitute for student effort, creativity, and thinking skill. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.